Alam mo na ba guys, ang baryang ito guys, ang 1 piso Jose Rizal na mayroong taon na 2002. Tapusin ang video guys dahil mayroong itong halagang umabot sa 30,000 pesos. Ang country nito guys ay Philippines. Ang denomination naman ito ay 1 piso. Ang taon ay 2002. At ang composition naman ito guys ay metal or copro-nickel alloy. Mayroong timbang guys na umabot na 6.1 grams at mayroong diameter na 24 mm at ang kanyang thickness ay 1.75 mm at ang ating age naman ito guys ay reeded. Ito yung ating obverse guys. Ang features, the inscription Republika ng Pilipinas, 1 piso and Jose Rizal. Also shows the year 2002. Ito naman guys ang ating reverse, the seal of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The reverse also includes the date 1993 as part of the seal design referring to when the Bangko Sentral established. Design team parts of the BSP series 1995 hanggang 2003 featuring Jose Rizal on the 1 piso coin. This 1 piso Jose Rizal design was minted from 1995 until 2002. It was one of the standard circulation coins in the Philippines during that period. Historical and numismatic significance. Jose Rizal, a national hero of the Philippines, the choice to feature him reflects his importance in the Philippine history and culture. B Special 1993. The date refers to the year Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas was re-established in the modern form. Coin issued after that often include in it the bank seal design. Termination of production. The issue of this particular coin stopped in 2002. That makes the 2002 version among the later ones in this design series. Pagmasdan mong mabuti guys ang ating barya sa harapan at sa likuran. Ito guys ay tinatawag na rares at nagkakaroon ng maraming error. Dito sa ating carousel selling online guys ay mayroon itong halagang umabot sa 30,000 pesos. Ang multiple error natin guys na 1 piso coins ng Pilipinas. Huwag baliwalain guys ang mga barya na katulad nito ang itsura dahil pwede po kayong kumita. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.